Welcome. In this video, we'll help you understand the Mexico country code and how to use it. A country code is a numeric prefix used to dial into a country from abroad. It's essential for international calling. For Mexico, the country code is +52. This code is necessary when making an international call to Mexico. To call a number in Mexico, dial +52, then the area code 55 for Mexico City, followed by the local number. Mexico's major city area codes: Mexico City, 55, Guadalajara, 33, Monterrey, 81. To call Mexico from the USA, dial 011, exit code, 52, country code, then the area code and local number. Now you know how to reach your friends and family in Mexico. Stay connected, and happy calling. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partners.